Hey, what's up guys? Week 41 of my journey. I have some good stuff for you. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on guys? Ben, your agent, eXp Realty with Aguilar Realty Group. Today, I'm going to share you 3 things I learned from cold calling. The first thing is, guys, it's not as scary as you guys think. Cold calling is actually pretty fun. As you do them, you're going to dial and you'll come to find out that actually out of 3 people that you talk to, yes, the first 2 might be like cussing you out, might get mad at you, say some unrealistic things, hang up on you, but that third one usually is a nice person that does hear you out, and you actually come to find out that you might build a really good relationship with that person, right? So my thing is just do it, just pick up the phone and start dialing. The other second thing I learned, guys, is that I was looking at each connect call as a deal. So the thing about it is when you have scripts in front of you, you'll feel confident. Going back to the first one, you'll feel scared, but with a script, you'll feel much more confident. And as I was talking to these people, I was just following through a script and just seeing them as, oh, I'm gonna get a deal, I'm gonna get an appointment, because a lot of coaches out there suggest that you just go for the appointment. But honestly, for me, it hasn't worked out. I need to have a natural flow of conversation. So what I've learned is listen to them. Introduction, hey, how are you? How are you doing? Then you listen to them and you actually gear your conversation to what they're telling you. And you develop this amazing relationship with them. And I love what Ricky Carruth, he's one of the cold calling gurus out there, he says, it's the connection first, then the conversion. How you're going to convert somebody is when you build trust with them. So this last part of the video, pay attention. I'm going to share with you guys the stages I've learned for cold calling. And the first thing is, like I already said, you're going to feel scared. You're going to not even want to do it. You don't want to pick up the phone. And you don't want to do it. In your head, you're just telling yourself, no, 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 no. But just do it, guys. Just do it. So you're going to feel scared. Once you make that phone call, that first phone call, those first 100 phone calls, then you're not going to feel as scared anymore. You're going to learn what to say from the script. So everyone's different. If you guys want some scripts, I have couple of them from Tom Ferry, Mike Ferry, Ricky Carruth, my friends that customized their own script. I would practice different scripts, with your fellow teammates and get used to it, because once you start making dials and you start learning what to say, you're gonna then learn how to say it. You're gonna now become from robotic to natural, which is the game changer. Once you feel natural in what you're saying, then the last step would be you're gonna learn how to read people. Guys, the secret to all cold calling is really, how do I learn to read people and match what they're telling me? Like I said, once you get to know exactly where they are at their stage and what they need, then you can serve them. Now you're coming as not the super salesy person, but you're coming in as how can I help you and how can I serve you? And that relationship will go much farther than, hey, let me get an appointment, let me get through my script, let me get through my appointment, let me get an appointment with you. So guys, little bonus is when you know how to say it and you sound natural, you know when to say it, what to say, then you will be a professional cold caller, guys. You're gonna know what to say before they give you an objection. And sales, again, is all about trust. When they can begin to trust you and you know exactly what you're saying, it's game over, guys. So I hope this helped you guys. I know cold calling for me in the past year has not been easy, but man, I'm at the stage I feel like that I need to continue to go over is what to say, then feeling natural on how to say it, because the tonality is all that matters. So subscribe to my channel. Please smash the like button. It really helps me out. And share it, guys. Smash the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this helped you guys out. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.